I want to talk a little bit about a good customer service experience I recently had with GooTop. They make this bug zapper here that I ordered. Now, before you get on to me about bug zappers being bad for the environment, yes, when placed outdoors, a bug zapper is indiscriminate about what flying insects it kills. It'll kill anything that is attracted to the light, whether it's a pest or whether it's a beneficial insect. But that is not why I bought this bug zapper. I live in the country. Yes, I have screen doors, but when I come in or go out of the house, bugs go into my house. Not just mosquitoes, but gnats and moths and other flying insects make their way into the house. So I keep one of these in a central room where it attracts bugs away from my bedroom, away from my living room, and toward the light where they get zapped and they bug me no longer. 6 days after my order, I got a message from GooTop where they said that I was a VIP customer and they were going to extend my warranty for 2 years, and that warranty covered if the item does not work, or if it stops working, or if the bulb burns out, or if I received a defective bug zapper. Well, after about 2 months, the bulb burned out. So I went ahead and contacted GooTop and told them I provided my delivery address and I received a replacement bulb. Okay, looking underneath the bug zapper. Okay, this base seems to be held in by one screw here. So I'm going to try unscrewing it. This is unplugged, by the way. That is kind of important. Yeah, that came off. Alright, that came out. Just pulled directly out. New one looks very much like the old one. There are 4 pins on this bulb and 4 little holes inside here. And I'm going to do my best to match all that up. And I believe it's matched up. I'm going to try plugging this in and see if it lights up. And it does. Let's put this back on there. Find that little screw. And then just clip the base back on. So even though I was initially disappointed that the first bulb only lasted 2 months, I was very happy with GooTop customer service for extending my warranty to 2 years and providing a free replacement bulb when I told them that the first one burned out. There is an affiliate link in the description. If you order through that link, ThriftyPlus receives a small commission at no additional charge to you. Stay thrifty.